Please mark your present day, everyone. Okay, so let's start with today's topic. Today is our political science session number 2, and in this session, we are going to complete two lessons: the electoral process and social and political movement. Okay, so let's start. Today's topics are review on lessons. Two lessons I'm going to review. I'm going to give you review of two lessons: the electoral process and social and political movement, and there will be the multiple choice questions based on the same. Okay, like last time we did, we had two lessons. Your lesson number 1 and 3 we have completed. Okay, and today I'm going to take your lesson number 2 and 4. Okay, so let's start. First is the electoral process. I'm just revising. You have already did this. You have given exam based on this. I'm just revising whatever you have learned. Okay, so please pay attention so that it can help to polish whatever you have learned or whatever you have read, and then you can easily answer my questions. Okay, so let's start. First lesson is the electoral process. The election commissioner is appointed by our president. Okay, president appoints. Who appoints election commissioner? President appoints in election commissioner. Then Sukumar Sen was appointed as the first chief election commissioner of independent India. ये आपको याद रखना है. Who was the first chief election commissioner of independent India? You have to answer Sukumar Sen. Okay, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे तुम्हाला. Then constituencies are created by delimitation committee of the election commission. Okay, who creates constituencies? Which commission of sorry which election commission creates constituencies? The delimitation committee. Okay, which committee of election commission creates the constituencies? You have to answer the delimitation committee. Yes. Next, Election Commission of India lay down the code of conduct during election to ensure fair selection of the respective leader by the people of the area without any force, thereby ensuring democracy. Okay, इलेक्शन कमीशन क्या करता है? इंडिया का जो भी लीडर है, कोई पार्टी का लीडर है, उसको नॉमिनेट किया जाता है और उसके लिए वोटिंग का जो भी सिस्टम होता है वो अच्छी तरह से चले, लोगों के ऊपर लोगों को मजबूर ना किया जाए कि आपको इसी पार्टी को वोट देना है, इसी लीडर को वोट देना है. ये सारे काम कौन कौन देखता है? इलेक्शन कमीशन देखता है. ओके, व्हेन देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम ड्यूरिंग द पोल, देयर आर एनी प्रॉब्लम्स which hurt the normal process of election, then the election commission can call for a re-election. Okay, लेकिन इतना रखते हुए भी अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो क्या किया जाता है? They call for re-election. The Election Commission of India decides as to when and in how many stages elections would be held in a particular state, which largely depends on the population of density. एखाद्या स्टेटमध्ये इलेक्शन कशा प्रकारे घेतलं जाईल, किती वेळाने, किती कालावधी नंतर घेतलं जाईल, कितने टाइम बाद लिया जाएगा, ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है? द पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी ऑफ दैट स्टेट. ओके, त्या स्टेटच्या लोकसंख्येवर डिपेंड करतं. नेक्स्ट, reorganizing the constituencies. The total number of members in Lok Sabha is 543. Every member represents one constituency. It means there are 543 constituencies of Lok Sabha. Creating constituencies is a responsibility of a delimitation commission of election commission. Sorry, delimitation committee of election commission. The delimitation commission does not succumb to any pressure while restructuring the constituencies. See, जो डिलिमिटेशन कमिटी होती है इलेक्शन कमीशन की, वो उस पर कोई भी फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी दबाव नहीं डाल सकता. वो अपने आप काम करती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज जर्नी फ्रॉम द बॅलॉट बॉक्स टू ईव्हीएम मशीन. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे पहिले बॅलट बॉक्सचा वापर केला जायचा आणि त्यानंतर आता ईव्हीएम मशीन आले आणि ईव्हीएम मशीनवर आपण बटन दाबून वोट देऊ शकतो. पहिले काय केलं जायचं, एका एका चीटवर actually I also have not seen that what was the system, but I think like our normal elections in our school, what we did for choosing our monitor or whatever, what we did we took a sheet and write name. Yes, write name of a person which we want to elect. Yes, like that was the ballot box system. And now EVM machine is there. In the EVM machine, what they did is तिथे जो काही उमेदवार असतो त्याचं नाव लिहिलेलं असतं and the sign that is displayed over there. Okay, which that political parties we have learned. Yes, the political parties in India we have learned, and they have their particular symbol. Every political party in India have their particular symbol. That symbol is situated on that EVM machine, and just you have to press that button and your vote is calculated to that particular party. Yes, understood? What is ballot box? Sorry, what is EVM machine? Yes, understood? Let's see what is there written in your lesson. Yes, please give me reply whenever I'm asking. Do you understood whatever I have just told you? समजले का सगळ्यांना आता मी काय सांगितलं ते? Okay, yes, thank you. The first election in independent India was held in 1951 to 1952. Okay, पहिल्यांदा इलेक्शन कधी झालं आपल्या स्वतंत्र भारतामध्ये? पहिल्यांदा इलेक्शन कधी झालं? 1951 ते 52 या कालावधीत. This was the beginning of shaping democracy through electoral politics. In the initial elections, ballot boxes were used for the purpose of voting. The use of EVM machines started from the decade of 1990s. Many things could be achieved because of the voting machine. See, बॅलट बॉक्स मध्ये काय केलं जायचं, बॅलट बॉक्स मध्ये कोणीही चेंजेस करू शकत होतं, काही चिठ्ठ्या काढून टाकून फेकल्या जाऊ शकत होत्या किंवा काही त्याच्यात ऍड केल्या जाऊ शकत होत्या, पण ईव्हीएम मशीन मध्ये असं नसतं. ओके, 1990s पासून ईव्हीएम मशीन अस्तित्वात आली आणि त्यामुळे काय झालं, many things could be achieved because of this voting machine. If the voter do not want to vote for any candidate, they could choose an option of none of the above. बघा, पहिल्यांदा बॅलट बॉक्स सिस्टम मध्ये काय होतं, जर तुम्हाला नाहीच कोणाला मत द्यायचं, तुम्हाला किसी को भी वोट नहीं करना है, तो आपके लिए कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. लेकिन नाउ इफ यू डोंट वांट टू वोट एनी कैंडिडेट, एनीबॉडी, आपको किसी को भी वोट नहीं करना है, तो आप एक और बटन दबा सकते हैं जो है none of the above, like your options. Yes, like your options in the multiple choice questions, there are some options like none of the above or all of the above. Yes, so there is also a option like none of the above in EVM machines. If you don't want to vote any candidate, you can press that button. आपको जब किसी भी कैंडिडेट को वोट नहीं करना है तो आप वो बटन दबा सकते हो. This option can be given only because of the voting machine. It has become easy for disabled people, Divyang, to vote. It reduced the cutting of trees for paper and thereby help in the protection of the environment. It has also been possible to have an early declaration of election results. बघा, मग बैलेट बुक्स में क्या होता था, पहले वो चिट्ठियां निकाली जाती थी, फिर उनको काउंट किया जाता था, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मशीन खुद ही कैलकुलेट करती है कितने वोट्स हो गए हैं. ओके, सो वन वन थिंग इज देयर दैट क्या है उसका एक फायदा क्या है, इट इज पॉसिबल टू हैव एन अर्ली डिक्लेरेशन. जो भी रिजल्ट है इलेक्शन के वो बहुत जल्दी हम पा सकते हैं. एंड इट इज helping in the protection of our environment, as in the ballot box system they use paper. ballot box system मध्ये पेपर यूज केले जायचे आणि त्यामुळे झाडं कट करावी लागायची, as papers are made use by using trees only. Yes, so whenever we are using the EVM machine, आपण पेपर यूज करणं टाळतोय, त्यामुळे आपल्या अल्टिमेटली आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंटचं प्रोटेक्शन होतंय. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस टॉपिक? Yes, journey from ballot box to EVM machine got? Do you all got? The functions of election commission are as follows. What are the functions of our election commission? Preparing the voter list, decide the timetable and the program of election, scrutiny of the applications of candidates, give recognition to political parties, to resolve any dispute related to election. वोटर लिस्ट मध्ये मतदाराचं नाव टाकल्यापासून त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन ऍक्सेप्ट करणे, त्याला वोटिंग कार्ड अलॉट करून देणे, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीला रिकॉग्निशन देणे आणि इलेक्शन चालू असताना काही वादविवाद झाले तर ते सॉल्व्ह करणे, हे सगळं काम इलेक्शन कमिशनचं असतं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. येस, अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द इलेक्टोरल सिस्टम? येस, इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस. Understood everything about the electoral process? Here I have selected some main points only. The questions will be asked on these points, so that I have selected some of the points only. Yes, understood whatever I have taught you just now? Tell me, please give me reply. Okay, okay, thank you. Next lesson is social and political movement. Okay, a movement is a collective action. What do you understand by the word movement? Is a collective action. ओके, तुम्हाला एखाद्या गोष्टीला विरोध करायचा आहे तर तुम्ही एकत्र येऊन एकाच व्यक्तीने विरोध केला तर तो विरोध ऍक्सेप्ट होईल का? नाही, त्याला कोणीही मोडू शकतं. पण तुम्ही जर सगळे एकत्र आलात, आप जब सब लोग इकट्ठा हो जाएंगे और उस चीज को विरोध करेंगे तो कोई भी वो विरोध एक्सेप्ट करेगा. इसलिए मूवमेंट इज द collective action. Okay, people's active participation is expected in the movement. Movements have a leadership. Leadership keeps the movement active. Every movement requires a leader. प्रत्येक मुवमेंटला लीडरची गरज असते. बिकॉज ऑफ द लीडरशिप ओनली द movement can be kept active. Consumer movement. There are some movements like consumer movement, workers movement, and tribal movement. Let's get some explanation about that. First is consumer movement, where it was emerged in India after the Consumer Protection Act came into existence in the 1986. ओके, लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, कंझ्युमर प्रोटेक्शन ऍक्ट कधी पास झालाय? 1986 मध्ये. This movement has a broad objective. The movement believes that each member of the society is a consumer. Okay, what was the movement believing? That each member of the society is a consumer. Due to the changing nature of social and economic system, consumers face different problems. Adulteration, increased cost of items, frauds in VAT and measures are some of the problems. The consumer movement works to protect consumers from such types of frauds. Okay, consumer movements का केली गेली? Because of the increased cost of items, adulteration, fraud in weight and measures are some problems in the consumers. Okay, in the economic system there were some problems which were faced by consumers like adulteration, increased cost of item, frauds in weight and measure. That's why consumer movement takes place in 1886. Now, sorry, 1986. Now, workers movement. कामगार चळवळ आपण म्हणतो तिला मराठीत. Workers movement. Textile industry, railway companies were established in India in the latter half of the 19th century. Okay, when the textile industry and railway companies were established in India in the latter half of the 19th century. In 1899, railway workers went on strike for their demand. They were having some demands uh, like salary related demands or whatever, but they went on strike in 1899. However, the first organization for resolving the issues of workers was established in 1920. See, the strike was in 1899, and how many years took place to uh, found out an organization for that, for resolving these issues in 1920. Okay, this organization is known as All India Trade Union Congress. The organization, which was established in 1920 for resolving the issues of workers, was All India Trade Union Congress. Okay. In India, workers are facing different problems: unstable employment condition, contract labor, financial insecurity, absence of legal protection for workers, unlimited working hours, insecurity at the workplace, health hazards are some of the problems. So, which problems can be solved under the All India Trade Union Congress? Unstable employment condition, कोणत्याही कामगाराला कधीही कामावरून काढून टाकलं जात होतं. देन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट लेबर, काही कामगारांना फक्त कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसवर घेतलं जायचं, जसं की 6 महिने, 1 वर्ष. ओके. देन फाइनेंशियल इनसिक्योरिटी, वो लेबर फाइनेंशियली इनसिक्योर थे, उनको ज्यादा सैलरी या फिर उनसे काम करवाया जाता था, लेकिन उसके बदले में उस काम को सुटेबल सैलरी नहीं दी जाती थी. एब्सेंस ऑफ लीगल प्रोटेक्शन फॉर वर्कर्स, कोई भी प्रकार का प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दिया जाता था. अनलिमिटेड वर्किंग आवर्स, दे वर आस्क्ड टू वर्क लाइक हेल. ओके, उनको बहुत ज्यादा काम करना पड़ता था, कोई लिमिटेड वर्क आवर नहीं था उनके लिए. एंड इनसिक्योरिटी एट वर्क प्लेस, हेल्थ हजार्ड्स ऑल्सो देयर. कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज में वर्कर्स को बहुत सारे हेल्थ हजार्ड फेस करने पड़ते थे. दिस वेर सम प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, व्हिच वर सॉल्व्ड अंडर द ऑल इंडिया ट्रेड यूनियन कांग्रेस, which was established in 1920. Yes, understood about this workers movement. Next is tribal movement. What is this word suggesting you? Tribal movement, tribe, Adivasi. Okay, in the pre-independence period, the British government deprived tribal people of their right to livelihood on forest resources. This, this I think you have learned in your 8th standard. The Rebel of 1857, 1857 चा उठाव. या लेसन मध्ये हे सगळं शिकलेलं आहात तुम्ही. And you have learned this in your 10th also. I am just revising whatever you have learned. Okay. So, in the pre-independence period, the British government deprived tribal people of their right to livelihood on the forest resources. ट्रायबल लोकांचं, आदिवासी लोकांचं जगणं कशावर अवलंबून असतं? दे आर डिपेंडंट होली ऑन फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेस ओनली. ओके, जंगलातून जी काही साधन संपत्ती मिळते त्याच्यावरच त्यांची डेली लाईफ डिपेंडंट असते. There was a tribal uprising in Kollam from Chota Nagpur, Gond from Orissa, Koli, Bhilla and Ramosis from Maharashtra, Santhal and Munda from Bihar. The tribal struggle has continued since those years. Tribals in India face several problems. One major problem is that they are denied right over forest. इंग्रजांनी काय केलं, ब्रिटिशांनी काय केलं की या लोकांचं लाईव्हलीहूड काय होतं, कशावर अवलंबून होतं त्यांचं जगणं? फॉरेस्टवरच अवलंबून होतं. व्हाट दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन? ओनली फॉरेस्ट. वो किस पे डिपेंडेंट थे? सिर्फ फॉरेस्ट पे डिपेंडेंट थे. लेकिन ब्रिटिशों ने क्या किया, उनका जो अधिकार था फॉरेस्ट के ऊपर वो निकाल लिया. ओके, त्यांनी पूर्ण त्यांचे हक्क काढून घेतले. द मेन डिमांड ऑफ द ट्रायबल मुवमेंट इज टू एक्सेप्ट देअर राईट ओव्हर फॉरेस्ट. मग या ट्रायबल मुवमेंटच्या मागची मेन डिमांड काय होती त्या लोकांची? व्हॉट वर द मेन डिमांड ऑफ द ट्राइब्स, द ट्रायबल पीपल? that they wanted their right over the forest, and which was very correct. Okay, they should be allowed to collect products of forest and also should have a right to cultivate on forest land. मग त्यांना काय पाहिजे होतं? जे काही जंगलातून मिळणारे पदार्थ आहेत, ओके, like fruits or whatever vegetables that they are living on, they should be allowed them to collect and should have right to cultivate on forest land. जंगलाच्या जमिनीवर कल्टिवेशन करणं, पिकांची लागवड करणं, हे सगळे हक्क त्यांना पाहिजे होते. ओके, क्या चाहिए था उनको? जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स फॉरेस्ट से मिलते हैं वो हमारे हैं और हमें उन पर हक चाहिए, ये उनकी मांग थी. और जो भी लैंड था, फॉरेस्ट लैंड था, उस पे वो खेती करना चाहते थे. यस, These were some demands of tribal movement. Okay. Yes, understood about the movements. What we have learned, the consumer movement, the workers movement and tribal movement. Yes, clearly understood. Let's go through this again and then I will ask you questions based on that. Okay. So electoral process. Electoral process, commissioner is appointed by president and Sukumar Sen was the first chief election commissioner of independent India. Okay. Now the constituencies are created by the delimitation committee of election commission. And what is the Indian election commission does? They conduct, sorry, they ensure the fair selection of the respective leader by the people of area without any force and thereby ensuring our democracy, Indian democracy. And when there is problem during the poll or any problems like that which hurt the normal process of election, then what they can call for, they can call for re-elections also. Okay. Now, how the ballot box to EVM machine is converted. The first election was held in 1951 to 1952. And the initial process they were using the ballot boxes, and now from the year 1990s they are using the EVM machine. EVM machine is so affordable and so adjustable that a voter, if a voter do not want to vote for any candidate, then it has the option of none of the above also, and it is very helpful for the disabled, that is the Divanga people, to vote. And it is reducing the tension on our environment, as it is reducing the cutting of trees for paper. And it is because of using the EVM machine, it is possible to have an early declaration of elections result also. What is the main functions of election commission? Preparing the voters list, decide the timetable and the program of elections, then scrutiny of the applications of candidates, give recognition to political parties, to resolve any disputes relating to election. These are all the important function of election commission. Then the social and political movement, which include the consumer movement, which came existence, which emerged due to the existence of an act named Consumer Protection Act, which was came in existence in 1986. Okay. And why this movement was done? Because the consumers were facing many problems because of the adulteration, increased cost of items, frauds in weight and measures. Yes. Then workers movement, what were the causes behind the workers movement? What they did a movement because of unstable employment condition, contract labor, financial insecurity, absence of legal protection for workers, unlimited working hours, insecurity at the workplace, health hazards, and these are the some problems because of what the workers did a movement. Tribal movement. Tribal movement, which were the tribes which are included in the tribal movement. The tribes arising from Kolam from Chota Nagpur, Gond from Orissa, Koli, Bhilla and Ramoshi from Maharashtra, Santhal and Munda from Bihar. They were facing some problems because of what take, they took place they took part in the tribal movement. What were the these problems? These problems were they were denied right over the forest, and they wanted their right over the forest, and they wanted that they should be allowed to collect product of forest, and also they wanted the right to cultivate the forest land. Okay, cleared? Cleared, everyone? Please let me know, have you understood clearly whatever I have taught you? Okay, so shall we move to the question answer session? Okay, like last time, I have selected some questions and options are given, and you are going to give me answer in the option format. The option you will write in the chat box. Okay, let's start. A common instruction for everyone. Please let me complete the question first and then you can answer. The election commissioner is appointed by the dash dash president, prime minister, speaker of Lok Sabha, vice president. Yes, president. It's a president. The election commissioner is appointed by the president. Okay. I'm expecting every one of you to answer, okay? Please. In 1921, Dash Dash was selected for Indian civil services under the British rule. Isha Basant Joshi, Kiran Bedi, Sukumar Sen, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, Sukumar Sen. Yes. In 1921, Sukumar Sen was selected for Indian civil services under the British rule. Please follow the instruction. I have told you that, yes, I know you know the answer because you have learned this whole year, whole last year, but I'm expecting that you should listen me very clearly. Let me finish the question and you can answer. Okay. Modern democracy is dash dash democracy, an extensive, a judicial, a representative, and universal. Yes, it's representative. Yes, modern democracy is a representative democracy. Okay, next. Question number 4. Article dash dash of the Indian Constitution established the Election Commission, which is an autonomous body. 323, 324, 325, 326. Which article? Yes, no one? You can give a try. Yes, 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 you are right. It's 324. It's B 324. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution established the Election Commission, which is an autonomous body. Okay. I'm reading it again with the answer so that it can clearly fit into your mind. As the Election Commission does not have a separate staff for conducting election, it takes the help of dash dash. Yes, I have told you the first and second answer also. Okay, you want me to repeat? Yes, please. Whoever has written the doubt, you want me to repeat this? You want me to repeat the first and second? Okay, no reply. Okay, you are having the network problem. Okay, I will explain again. Yes, yes, I will repeat for you. Yes, now I'm going to tell you the answer directly. Okay, the election commissioner is appointed by the president. Then in 1921, Sukumar Sen was selected for Indian civil services under the British rule. Third one is democracy. Modern democracy is a representative democracy. Yes, clear? You were present for fourth one. You were there for fourth one. Yes, Sneha, am I right? Should I move on? Okay, okay, thank you. Fifth one. What is the fifth one now? See. As the election commission does not have a separate staff for conducting election, it takes the help of dash dash in the election process. Teacher, government, other government employees, all of the above. Yes, it's D, all of the above. As the election commission does not have a separate staff for conducting election, it takes the help of all of the above in the election process. You must have uh, heard in your school days that yes, our teacher is not there for today's lecture, he or she is on our election duty. Yes, so every government officer have to help in the election process. Sixth one, the dash dash is celebrated to create awareness among voters for voters registration. National Voters Day, National Employees Day, National Science Day, National Young Voters Day. This one is very simple. Yes, it's National Voters Day. So, the National Voters Day is celebrated to create awareness among voters for voters registration. Okay, seventh one. Dash Dash was appointed as the first Chief Election Commissioner of Independent India. Your options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, T.N. Seshan, then Sukumar Sen, Neela Satyanarayana. Yes, it's C. Sukumar Sen again. No, it's not A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president. Okay. Yes, it's C. Sukumar Sen. Eighth one. The Election Commission of India was established in the year 1949, 1950, 1951 and 1965. When it was established? Yes. Should I tell you the answer? Okay, let me get you clear. Okay, see, the first election was held in 1951 to 52. Okay, so the election commission was established in 1950. Okay, go by that. Go like way. See, पहिलं इलेक्शन कधी झालं 1951 to 52 मध्ये झालं. येस, सो इट मस्ट बी अगोदर इस्टॅब्लिश झाली असणार की नाही कमिशन. एम आय राईट? Okay. The dash dash list should contain the names of every Indian citizen who has completed 18 years age. Employee, voters, attendance, description. Which list is there? Voters list. Yes. The voters list should contain the names of every Indian citizen who has completed 18 years age. Okay. 10th one. In India, we have dash dash system in our country. Single party, multi-party, dictatorship, capitalist, multi-party system. Yes, yes, right. In India, we have multi-party system in our country. Okay. Yes. 11th. Dash dash from Himachal Pradesh was the first voter of independent India. Ganesh Mavlankar, Sham Sharan Negi, Sukumar Sen, Acharya Kripalani. Yes, it's B. Sham Sharan Negi. Sham Sharan Negi from Himachal Pradesh was the first voter of independent India. Sham Sharan Negi exercised his right to vote in India's first Lok Sabha election conducted on 25th October 1951, 25th November 1951, 26th December 1951 and 26th January 1952. Yes, what is the correct option? Don't get confused. It's 25th October 1951. Okay, so see, फक्त ह्या अशा मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये काय होतं, आपण फक्त डेट्स मध्येच कन्फ्युज होतो. बाकीचे आन्सर्स तुम्ही बरोबर देताय, पण डेट्स मध्ये आपण कन्फ्युज होतो, त्यामुळे तिथे जास्त लक्ष द्या. ओके, बाकीचे आन्सर्स तुम्ही एकदा दोनदा वाचलात तर तुमच्या डोक्यात राहणार. बट फॉर दिस आपको क्या करना है, डेट के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान देना है. जिसमें भी डेट होगा वो क्वेश्चन आपको ज्यादा जोर देके पढ़ना है और याद रखना है. ओके, there are dash dash constituencies of Lok Sabha. Yes, how many constituencies are there of Lok Sabha? Yes, 543. There are 543 constituencies of Lok Sabha. Yes. Next. Constituencies are created by dash dash Commission of Election Commission. Selection, midterm election, by elections, delimitation. Which committee? Yes, delimitation. Yes. So I can read the with answer. Constituencies are created by the Delimitation Commission of Election Commission. Yes. 15th one. Elections and dash dash are two very important processes in democracy. Election Commission, representative democracy, judicial administration. Yes, what's the answer for this? You all are very confusing in this. Yes. Representation should be there. Yes, yes. Elections and representation are two very important processes in democracy. Okay. Representative word is there and representation both are same. You can write anyone. Okay. What is there in the option? Yes, this was all for the electoral process. Have you clearly understood the questions and answers? Yes. Okay, the next one. Now this is for the movement one. Okay, the movement one. Dash dash is the main demand of farmers movement. Right to cultivate on the forest land, to get the right price for agricultural product, protection of consumer, building of dam. Yes, this is number 2. To get the right price for agricultural products. Okay. To get the right price for agricultural product is the main demand of farmers movement. Next. Okay, I have not written here A, B, C, D, S. Next. To increase agricultural production and become self-sufficient with regard to food grain, dash dash was initiated. Water revolution, green revolution, industrial revolution and white revolution. Yes, green revolution is related to agriculture. White revolution is related to milk. Okay. श्वेत क्रांती ही कशाशी रिलेटेड होती? मिल्क. Next. Dash in dash dash movements have more important: socialist rule, dictatorship, democracy, communist rule. In democracy, movements have more importance. Yes. Fourth one. In democracy, right to dash dash is considered an important right. Rehabilitate, pursue question, behave with control and responsibility, protest. As we are dealing with movement, what will be this? Yes, protest. Good. In democracy, right to protest is considered an important right. Fifth one. Dash dash is the objective of green revolution to stop degradation of environment, protection of forest, increase in agricultural output to stop the felling of trees. Green revolution is related to the increase in agricultural output. Okay. So increase in agricultural output is the objective of green revolution. The trade union movement in India has background of freedom struggle, globalization, prestigious past, industrialization. Trade union movement. What will be the past? No, it's not globalization. ट्रेड व्यापार व्यापार कशाशी रिलेटेड असणार याच्यामधल्या कशाशी रिलेटेड असणार फोर्थ इट्स फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन ओके येस फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन विचार करा वर्ड आंसर येत नसेल तर वाचा आणि रिलेट करायचा प्रयत्न करा आपको अगर आंसर नहीं आ रहा है तो पढ़िए और रिलेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए रिलेटेड वर्ड मिल रहा है तो दैट विल बी द आंसर नॉट एव्हरी टाइम ओके नॉट एव्हरी टाइम बट नाहीच येते आठवतच नाहीये तर असं करा येस ओके सो द ट्रेड युनियन मूवमेंट इन इंडिया हैज अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन नेक्स्ट in 1899 dash dash workers called for a strike railway mill handloom rice mill just now I have taught you railway workers yes in 1899 railway workers called for a strike Dr. Rajendra Singh Rana had brought about dash dash in Rajasthan white revolution water revolution green revolution consumer revolution yes water revolution Rajasthan is there, then there should be a white water revolution only. Okay, you can connect like this. If you don't know the answer, you can connect like this. Okay. Dr. Rajendra Singh Rana is known as the dash dash of India, farmer man, environment man, man of the millennium, water man. Yes, water man, cause he has introduced the water revolution, hence water man. Okay. So Dr. Rajendra Singh Rana is known as the waterman of India. Yes, good. Next. Tribals in Vichar revolted against the British under the leadership of Rajendra Singh Rana, Bursa Munda, Umaji Naik, Kajar Singh. Yes? No. उमाजी नाईकांनी रामोशींचं नेतृत्व केलेलं. Yes, it's second. Swadeshi movement is an important dash dash movement, political, social, economic, cultural. Swadeshi movement. Yes, it's an economic movement because स्वदेशी मध्ये काय इकॉनॉमिक मुवमेंटच का आहे इट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेबल बिकॉज आता पण आपण ऐकतो स्वदेशीचा वापर करा कशासाठी कारण भारतातला पैसा भारतातच राहावा म्हणून जर आपण इंटरनॅशनल प्रोडक्ट विकत घेतले तर अल्टिमेटली जे आपण पैसे पे करतो त्याच्यासाठी ते त्याचा टॅक्स और वॉट एव्हर दे गोज टू out of India, okay, out of the India. So if you use Swadeshi, it can ultimately pay to our nation only. Yes. 12. Dash dash is one of the problems faced by consumer. Cancellation, malnutrition, adulteration, transportation. Consumer. Yes, adulteration. Yes. Adulteration is one of the problem faced by consumer. Okay. Yes, done. Okay. So all of you got the answers now? Yes. Okay. Everything is clear to you? Yeah, I think you have told me that lesson number 5 is not there. It is excluded. Yes, right? Lesson number 5 of your political science is not there for your CT. It was included in syllabus, but as you have told me in the last lecture that it is not included now. It is excluded now. Yes. Okay. So here we are completing your political science subject for your CT examination. Okay. So whatever we have taken, please go through that again. You will be having your exams based on that. Please solve it very carefully. Okay. And for your CT, all the best. We are going to stop over here for today. Please read again. Please revise again whatever I have taught you in these two lectures. Yes, and now you all can leave. Bye bye, everyone. All the best and study hard. Bye. Yes, everyone. All of you can leave the class now. Jai, Avigna, please leave the class now. Yes, Avigna, please leave the class now.